Dressmakers and friends, welcome back again on the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a leaf pattern with a simple cup chain. This project is something that is really fun and can enhance your fabric embellishment. The first thing you want to do is go ahead to draw out the outline or the leaf or whatever design that you're trying to create. The next thing is you want to go ahead to gently add your fabric glue, whether you have the B6000, E7000, gently add your fabric glue on it. Let me take my time to say thank you to all subscribers, returning and new subscribers. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch videos on this channel. If you have not subscribed, now is your opportunity to do so. Hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up because you are going to get good value from it. Here's the cup chain that we are using for this project, and then all you need to do is place it neatly on the outline that you have actually applied your glue with. Once this is done, you can just cut off the leftover just like I am doing. And now the next thing is for you to start adding your outline that is going to be inside of the leaf. Once you have done this first oval shape, this is the first step, then the next thing is go ahead to put in the center line just as it usually appears in a leaf. Nothing serious, this is just all that you have to do. Measure out what you need, and once you have measured it out, apply your glue on it just like you did the other time. And once you have applied that glue, the next thing will be to lay the cup chain that you have cut out for that purpose. Just lay it on top of it just like this. Once that is done, the next thing is for you to put the other outline, because you know the leaves will always come with so many lines on it. So you go ahead to put as many lines as you possibly want to have on this leaf, and it's just as simple as that, guys. Once you are done with putting your outline, once you're happy with what you see with your outline, just leave your fabric to dry, the glue to dry out for a bit, then you can start and stitching the design. Now, one thing about the fabric glue is that you cannot leave it. It's not secured. Once you start washing your dress, it's going to start washing off. So I would strongly advise, ensure that you always unstitch your cup chain down once you are done. I hope you have found this video really interesting and really educating. In this next video, you are going to see how to stitch down your cup chain. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in this video.